Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to do the better use of pumpkin in the Halloween and make halwa out of that. Before I start my recipe, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. First I cut my pumpkin into the several pieces, so I'm going to bake it. I'm putting all the pieces on the baking tray and preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake the pumpkin for 1 hour. In 1 hour the pumpkin gets softer and then it's easy to peel all the puree out. So our pumpkin is done. After 1 hour I'm taking the pumpkin pulp into the separate bowl. So I'm making video alone, so I just put my camera on the side and taking all the pulp out to show you how you can take the pulp out. Now all the pulp is separate out as shown in this video. Now we need to mash all the pulp with the masher, and now I'm getting a hard time. I'm going to use the blender to mash it very soft. So we also need another ingredients like almonds or cashews if you like, green cardamom, raisins, and 1 can of vaporized milk. In addition, we need some suji, which is also known as salmonella. Take a pan, add some desi ghee and roast the semolina for 5 to 10 minutes until it's a light brown. Why we use the salmonella? Because the suji, because it's very important to bind the halwa, because otherwise the halwa is very squishy. So I need some bindness to the halwa, which gives a good taste. So we are using a suji to bind the halwa. Once the suji is roasted and light brown, then we are going to add all the pulp, pumpkin pulp into it. So mix well all the pumpkin with the suji. Suji is also absorbent for the water. It will hold and dry the halwa fast. So mix the suji well with the halwa. I am also going to add the vaporized milk because when we make the suji halwa with the milk, it gives very good taste. But if you are in lactose intolerance, then you can also use water instead of the vaporized milk. So either you can use water or either you can use vaporized milk. Mix well and add the nuts and raisins and the green cardamom at the same time. Mix it well. Now we will cook this for 15 to 20 minutes until suji, the salmonella, soaks all the liquid. Then we add the sugar into it. So how you measure your sugar, because if it's a 1 ball of suji, we usually add the same quantity of sugar into that, but it is also involved a lot of pumpkin puree, so we are adding a half ball of sugar extra into it. But you can taste it and add according to your taste. I'm also going to add some saffron into it to give the good taste. This is optional. And mix well and cook it, and until it leaves the pan from the side and it dries out, then our halwa is ready. It took me 15 to 20 minutes to make it dry like this, and then you leave it for a while and it dries up and it tastes very well. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in the comment section how you like this halwa. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on the new videos. Thanks for watching.